saka ndaipi mazimba. So inzwai munzvaka kufamba zvangu musango kuno ku-UK mukona zuwa kufamba nemufana wangu uyu Emily kamudhoni kangu mira tikadaidze. Emily, uya kuno. Hi.
Hi.
So I wanted to ask you a few questions.
Okay.
Okay. What is an elephant in Shona?
It's an zoo.
Oh, very good. So I'll try something harder. What about a chicken?
It's a huku.
Oh, very good. What about a giraffe?
It's a pizza.
Oh, okay. So those are obviously too easy. So what about a hippo?
Hippo is an zoo.
Oh, very good. What about a dog?
A dog is an imbwa.
Imbwa, that's easy. Everybody knows that, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. What about a cat?
It's a kitsy.
Oh, very good. What about a mouse?
Gonzo.
Gonzo. I don't know any other animals. What about a giraffe? Do you know what a giraffe is?
You just did that one.
Have I done it?
Yeah, it's a tweezer.
It's a tweezer, yeah?
Yeah, that was when you said it was too easy.
Too easy. So, right, we're on a hill, Emily. What do you call a hill?
A gommel.
A what?
A gommel.
Oh, very good. Right, so
I know one.
what's another
A
one?
horse.
Oh yeah, what's a horse?
Hotchi.
Very good. Even she knows more animals than I do. So mazimba, inzwai, muchidzidzisa vana venyu Shona mugonza daily basis. Handiti kunzwa imi mumakuti amugone Shona imabva 10 minutes muri kubva kuZimbabwe. Teach them Shona. Mukona fana. Emily, have you ever been to Zimbabwe?
Nope.
But how do you know all this Shona?
Because you from Zimbabwe.
How? Manzwaka, dzidzisai vana venyu Shona.